Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to find the solution set of an inequality, then express that solution in set notation, then graph that solution set on a number line. So here I have -3 parentheses 2x plus 4 close the parentheses greater than 0. I wonder which property should I use so that I could transform the left side. Do you know? You're right. It should be distributive property because -3 times positive 2x is a -6x. And -3 times positive 4 is going to give us a -12. Finish rewriting your inequality. Now I'm going to move on to begin to solve. And I'm going to solve this the same way I solve an equation. I know that I have a left side and a right side. So I'm going to put all of my variables on one side and all my constants on the other. So since it's the only variable, I'm going to move -12 to the right side. How do I do that again? I'm going to do the inverse, which is plus 12. Whatever you do to one side, do to the other. Now I have -6x, which I didn't touch, so I'll just bring that down. -12 plus 12, that cancels out. Bring down my greater than symbol, and then 0 plus 12, that gives me 12. Now I'm left with -6x greater than 12. Oh, I remember this from 6th grade and 7th grade for sure. We divide both sides by that coefficient, which is the number in front of the variable. So I'm going to divide this side by -6. It's not just 6, it's a -6. Whatever I do to this side, do to the other side. Now, a negative divided by negative is a positive, so it cancels out and leaves us with our positive x. But do I bring down the greater than symbol? No, because I divided by a negative, and if I divide by a negative, it's saying go in the opposite direction. So I have to flip this inequality from greater than to less than. And now positive divided by negative is a -12 divided by 6, that's 2. So I have now solved this inequality. But how do I write that in set notation? Well, we use these little braces here. And we say for all real numbers x, put a line, x should be less than -2. That's how you write it. Now, how do you graph that? Well, what's my endpoint? My endpoint is -2. So on the number line, I'm going to put a circle at -2. But what kind of circle should I put? Should it be open or should it be closed? Look at your inequality symbol. It's less than. What do you think? You're right. We should have an open circle at the the -2, sorry. And now, which direction is all my values less than -2? Well, less is always to the left, so we're going to shade. And we can stop anywhere and draw an arrow to say, keep going in this direction to infinity. This is where all the solutions are answers that will make this true. Because -5 is less than -2, and so on.